Welcome to Examrace. So this is our physics topic, Newton Raphson method. Actually, this topic is small but quite important because this year a 5 marks question directly asked from this topic. Actually, candidate focus on classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, and electrodynamics, but sometimes leave this small topic. But now CSIR NET again asks this topic in 5 marks. Many times from this topic questions are asked almost each and every year. So we will see what it is. Newton Raphson method is the most common technique to find the different roots for different equation. Means different root means more valid roots. For example, if there is an equation or equation is in term of function fx, it can be linear, can be quadratic, can be polynomial, any equation it is. So fx is the equation, and it is given that initial root or solution of this equation is at x equals to x naught. So what I can say that fx naught is equals to 0. But more valid root or more correct root will be x1 is equals to x naught plus h. So if it is root, it means same thing that fx naught plus h must be equals to 0. Now if I apply Taylor's equation over this, then what Taylor says that if it has some expansion which is like this, fx naught plus h f dash x naught plus h square f double dash x naught, and like this goes on, which is equals to 0. Higher differential order is 0, can be neglected. And also h square h cube means higher power of small number. H is very small, 0.001 maybe. So higher power, neglect the remaining terms. So here, from here, what I find, h is minus f x naught upon f dash x naught. So what actually the value of x1? It is this x naught plus h. So if I put the value of h in this equation, I'll get value of x1, which is equals to x naught minus f x naught upon f dash x naught. Good. So this is the equation or solution, not equation, it is the solution for Newton Raphson. Now we will see one question. This question is asked in the recent year 2022. You can see this, that Newton Raphson method is used to determine the reciprocal of number x equals to 4 and initial guess is given. So is there any function is given? Is there any equation is given? Directly there is no equation, no function is given. But if we can see, what is this? This is x equals to 4. But in the last line, we have to find the first iteration of reciprocal. First iteration reciprocal means what we have to do, x is equals to 1 by 4. This is what the inverse of 4, reciprocal of 4. Okay, so from here, function, what will be the function? Function will be 1 by x minus 4. Why I write 1 by x minus 4? Why I am not writing x minus 1 by 4? Because the reciprocal of because the question demands the reciprocal of first iteration. So I have to reciprocal the function, not the number. Okay, so I got this. So easily I can find the first iteration. What is the formula for first iteration we derived? That is x1 is equals to x naught minus f x naught upon f dash x naught, isn't it? Now what is x naught? What is x naught? X naught is actually 0.20. And what is fx? Fx, we have this one. What is f dash x? F dash x is minus 1 upon x square. So from here what I'll do, I'll try to find f dash 0.2, which is equals to 1 upon 0.2 minus 4. So 1 upon 0.2 is nothing but 5 minus 4, that is 1. And actually it is f x naught. Now what is f dash x naught? F dash x naught, it is minus 1 upon x square. So x naught square, actually if I put the value of x, it will become x naught. So f dash 0.2 will be minus 1 upon 0.2 square is 0.04. So it is something 25, I think. Okay, minus 25. So just put the value. So what if I put the value? Means x1 is x naught minus f x naught upon f dash x naught. So x1 is, what was x naught? It was 0.2. fx we found 1, and this one is minus 25. So if I solve, it will become 0.2 plus 0.04. So first iteration comes to be 0.24. So this is our required answer. Okay, thank you. For complete course and subscription, please visit to www.doorsteptutor.com. Here you will find the complete course for physics regarding CSIR NET, GATE and chest and other TIFR like exams. Thank you.